This time I'm going to do unboxing and review of new Apple Airpods 4. Here it is. So let's do the unboxing. Let's open this. So now most of the companies are not using the plastic wrapper around it. So this is a eco-friendly way of doing the packaging Apple has been doing for a while. So let's see what we have inside. This is the AirPod 4 without the ANC, active noise cancellation. So you have the regular pamphlet and you have the new AirPods. It's wrapped inside. Let's open this and see. Okay. Let me move all the other stuffs here. So this is what you get inside the box. Okay. So let's open and see what we have inside. Okay, so here is your new Apple AirPod 4. It has a lot of changes. I own an AirPod 2. Comparing to that, it is lot has been changed in this one. But the form factor or the earbuds are pretty much similar design comparing to the so for comparison, this is the AirPod 2 and this is the 4. You can see the case. It's pretty much wide. 2 was a little bit longer. This is wide and more rounded like a egg. I like this case. And if you look at it, it's a Type-C charger. A 2 is the old, I don't know what Apple called it, Lightning, I don't know, the regular iPhone 11 or 12 charger. So this does not have a wireless charging. You have to charge it through the port. AirPods 2. Let's compare the AirPods 2 and 4. So if you look at it, the stem is a lot smaller and a little bit thicker than the 2. Let's compare the AirPods 2 and 4. So if you look at it, the stem is a lot smaller and a little bit thicker than the 2. And this shape is pretty much similar to what 2 is there. I think this might feel good and fit very well on your ear. This opening is a little bit bigger than the 2. So the AirBuds 4 looks compact and comfortable on the ears, but I feel it misses some features what it has on the older versions. So if you go to the settings of the AirPods, you see there are only limited options. Press once is a answer call that you cannot change. For mute and unmute, you can choose either you press once or press twice. And similarly for end a call, you have an option. Apart from that, there is a get gestures which is added. So you can choose either up down for accept and reply and side to side for decline or dismiss. So you can switch it accordingly. Those are all the only options available on the AirPod 4. So however, in AirPod 2 you have options like moving to a next track or pause, play, or invoking Siri. That's really helpful when you're doing a walking or going for a jog or running. That was really helpful, but that is missing in the AirPod 4. AirPod 4 is looking good and feeling better in your ears, and it misses some of the features or the tapping features from the older versions. However, AirPod 4 supports special audio. If you have a latest version of iPhone and AirPod 4, then you can hear better sounding in your ears. That's about it. If you're really an older version of AirPods, I would definitely recommend you to go for AirPod 4. If you're on a tight budget, you can go for AirPod 4 without the noise cancellation, which comes around like $130. If you have a budget, you can go for the active noise cancellation, which comes around $170. So if you have any questions, please post it in the comments. I can respond as soon as possible. And don't forget to subscribe. And thank you so much for watching.